What's up, guys? It's that time to announce the winner for the March giveaway of the Team Blacksheep X Racer FPV micro drone. So, without further ado, congratulations, Ian Brewer, you win. I've already contacted you, check your inbox. I need to have a response from you within 7 days of the email so I can get that sent out to you. If I don't, then I'm gonna have to pick another person. So definitely check it and get back to me. Hey, I wanna say thanks to everyone who took the time to enter in the March giveaway. Better luck next time. But on that note, definitely check out the April giveaway. There are multiple prizes and they're all pretty good, I think. Anyhow, check it out. And yeah, congratulations, Ian. All right, guys. See you next time.